In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can turn a word table cell into a picture placeholder. So let's get started. First is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type word. Click on it under the best match. Click on a blank document, okay? So once you're here, you just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find the insert tab. Click on that. And here we can find table. Click on this drop down. Now we're just going to go with a 2 by 2 table. Okay. Then we just need to simply right click on the table and then go to table properties. Then from here we can find this option. This one, specify height. Check this box and then just simply increase this to 6. Okay, 6 centimeters. Okay, it's 6 centimeters and click on OK. And this will look like this. Okay. Then we're now going to add a picture. So click on the cell that you're going to add a picture. So we are going to add a picture for the first cell and click on the insert tab, click on pictures, click on this device. And then we're just going to choose a picture as to where you have saved it from the destination path on the left pane and click on insert. So once you'll find a picture, obviously this will be really big as it is, but you will find this one from here for the size of the picture. So we're just going to decrease it. Okay, it's going to decrease it to 3. But it depends on your requirement, okay? Depending on your requirement. Okay, like that. Then we can also okay. So from here, we just need to simply click on the picture and we can find the picture format tab. And you can find the picture styles from here. Then just simply choose your style. Okay. Okay. Then we can decrease it. Okay, like that. So depending on your requirement, how would you want it to look like? Now for the second cell, let's insert another picture. Okay. The same thing, we're just going to decrease that from here, depending on your requirement, okay? And then click on the picture and then choose your style from here. Okay, like that. And you can also adjust this one to your preference and style, okay? Then for the third cell, let's insert again this device. Okay, and we're just going to click on the picture styles. Okay. And now for the last cell. Go to insert again. Again, it's up on your preference. How would you, for the height and width, it's up to you. There is no specific measurement for that. It's up to you. How would you want it to look like? Okay. You can just simply adjust that from here for the size of the picture. And you can also adjust it manually by just moving the circles. Okay, that surrounds the picture. Okay, and this is now how it looks like. Then you will notice these 4 arrows. Click on that and then make a right click and you will find the option border styles. Okay, so you have here for the theme of the borders. It's up to you. Now you can go with any of this. Now let me go with this one. Okay, And we're just going to draw it on the border like that. Okay. And then at the bottom. And that's it. Okay. That's how you can easily do it. Again, it's up to you for your style, for your preference. It's up to you for the height and width. It's up to you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.